Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli ako si Manuel o Alejandre. Ito ang aking daily devotion ngayong April 7. And for today, we are going to talk about David's secret to true success. Now, bakit nga ba laging matagumpay si David sa lahat ng kanyang ginagawa? Well, to put it simply, babasahin natin yung 1 Samuel chapter 18 verse 14 na nagsasabing, "And David had success in all his undertakings, for the Lord was with him." This verse says 1,000 words because this verse highlights the importance of Jesus in our lives, the importance of God, because God's presence makes us victorious. Kung sa tingin mo, yung kagalingan mo, yung katalinuhan mo, yung kasipagan mo, your hard work, all of your achievements are merely because of you, then you are wrong. Because all of those things have been given by God. Kung anong meron ka ngayon, be it tangible or non-tangible, be it your intelligence, your IQ, your possessions, your riches, all of it has been given to you by God. And without God, you are nothing. We are nothing. Therefore, kailangan talaga nating maintindihan that we have nothing to boast about. Hindi, wala tayong kahit ano na mapagyayabang natin. Hindi mo mapagyayabang yung kayamanan mo kasi kung wala yung Panginoon, wala kang kayamanan. Hindi mo mapagyayabang yung alam mo sa buhay kasi kung hindi ka binuhay ng Panginoon, then you have nothing. That is why humility is so important because it is not an option. Hindi naman pwedeng piliin mo na maging humble. It's an obligation given to you by God. Because pride is a sin. And imagine, you own your victories. Sinasabi mo na itong nangyari to dahil to sa akin. Well, guess what? Your ability to do something great has been given to you by God. Kung hindi ka binigyan ng katalinuhan ng kasipagan ng Panginoon, in fact, if He did not give you the ability to breathe, to live, to do what you want to do, then you have achieved nothing in life. But because love prevails in our God, and He has blessed us with so much, even with the ability to achieve something far greater than we can originally do, then you have to remember that whatever it is that you have achieved, that is for God. Because that is only possible with God. So kill pride daily through the humility of Christ. Isipin mo, si Kristo, our God, took on being human in order to save all of us. Someone of that caliber, a God, no one exceeds Him. He decided to lower Himself onto our level, the level of the creatures that are sinful, that lie, that deceit each other, that constantly put each other down. We don't deserve God, but He has given His life for us. That is the humility that He exuded. That is the humility that we shall try to replicate. And let's attribute all our successes to God. For He has made it possible. For anything is possible with Him, and without Him, nothing will be possible. So seek God's presence and obey His will in everything that you do. And always, always, glorify His name. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to God.